Hi, I spent 48 hours building a real product, real auth, real database, real-time sync between a manager and their vendor. This is Lumina. If you run a multi-unit business, you're probably living a 15-tab spreadsheet, 5 rentals, 8 cleaner, a dozen invoice a month. Nothing talks to anything else. You forget to pay a vendor, a unit sits dirty for an extra day. This is what Lumina fixes. Okay, so you can just quickly look at the landing page right here, and we scroll down. Okay, just quickly look at it. Right team, right plan. So I can just quickly click on get started. Okay, you can see create an account, but since I've created an account, I don't think I need to create an account again. Okay, right here you can see that this is the dashboard. This unit, now you can add your first unit to get started. This is the starting status. You can start with ready, occupied, or in maintenance, and without wasting much time, you can see, you can view your net profits, can see the occupied, and you can see the one that is ready right here. Okay, and so I will show you how everything works. You can see the billing actually works. I can upgrade to pro. It's actually going to take me to the Stripe checkout page. Okay, you can see right now that the subscription is working, and now I'm a pro member, so I can create unlimited units. And this vendor now is another part that you will need to see. Okay, so I can add a vendor name. I can see the vendor name is what Martins Albert plus okay, notes, preferred coverage, preferred notes. I can just make it, I can just type in it in there since it's demo. Add vendor. Okay, this is something that is very interesting. So right now, before you move on, we are going to click on the units, and from the units now, just click on add first new units. Then I'm going to type whatever for now. It's just going to be demo. Then just move. Okay, so now that is created, we just need to move to the activity. Then I'll click on new work order. Then right here we can create you can see that it's for assigned job, vendors, cost, and completion status is all in one place. So now we select the demo unit we've created, then the job details, you can just type demo right here. I just want you to see how it's going to the real-time syncing I'm talking. So this is the email right here, and I'm going to open vendors portal quickly. I'm just going to click on mark as complete. So as I've marked as complete right here, I'll just go back to the Enoch dashboard. So I'm going to refresh, and once I refresh, you're going to notice something, that everything is going to be synced. You can see that everything is already synced. I can go to work orders. You can see demo is completed, and vendors can also, I can also open it, and you see that it's also synced here. And I hope you really enjoyed my demo. That's all for now. Bye.